perfect, but that's kind of the point. Sometimes crafting is less about the outcome and more about the feeling. For example, if I want to attach the tail to the body, I would use this liquid Sculpey to put in between them and then attach it. It is also bakeable, so that means that when you put in the oven, it will turn from liquid to hard. For the base, I will recommend air dry clay because firstly, it is more cost effective. It can be made at home actually. You see that I made this with some cornstarch and glue at home. And I also use Premo Sculpey clay. Air dry clay is more soft. Sculpey clay, it is more hard. You see, it takes more effort to shape it, and hence it is good for holding small details well. This one has to be baked in the oven, whereas air dry clay can just be, air dried. Here is the pieces right out of the oven. We have the tiny Miffy. You can see her little eyes and the flower in her hair. There's also a flower and small daisy flowers. It's a brand new day. Here is how Miffy is after the painting. The time now is around 3:40 p.m. and we're going to start doing the last step of the process, which is also the most fun part in my opinion, because we're going to be adding the resin. I'm a bit nervous to start, but we'll see how it goes. I think it's looking good so far, and I'm gonna start applying the resin. So time check, it is now 5:40. I also put it under a UV lamp as it's raining outside now. 매일 아침 너만 If you ever feel overwhelmed, I hope you remember that it's okay to step away, even just for a little while, to make something soft, small, and slow. I'm just beginning my YouTube journey and I would love to have you along. Thank you so much for watching, it means a lot to me. Hope you take care and have a good day ahead. Bye!